Guys, so we have to find out the value of 4x squared minus 12xy plus 9y squared provided the value of 2x minus 3y equals to 4. So let's get down to this evaluation, and the first step according to me is that we need to factorize this, isn't it? So what do you say? So let's see how we can factorize. Okay. So to be able to do so, you must have heard about middle term break, okay, or split method. So let's apply that. All right. Well, to those who do not know the norms of it, I would like to tell you is that when we multiply, okay, 4 multiplied by 9, okay, we get what? Along with the variables. Okay, so we get 36, the numeric value of this. Then we find out the factor. Okay, if we were to do with that 4x square multiplied by say 9y square, we would get 36x square y square, isn't it? So to make it very simple and light, it's better that you try and figure out what should be the factor of 36 which gives us on addition or subtraction 12, okay, as a coefficient of this one. Okay? So 36, 6 into 6 and 6 plus 6 will be 12, and okay, here we have plus and plus here. So this is coming to plus 36 x square y square. This will become clear if I'll show you here. Alright, 6xy and 6xy here plus 9y square. Alright guys, now look at it. Minus minus is plus, and 6 into 6 is 36, x into x, x square, y into y, y square. So these are the basics, okay? So nothing rocket science. Now we need to hold the common factors in them. X is present here, x is present here also. 2 is here, 2 is here. So can we not write 2x as common factor? Here we are left with 2 and what? 1x. And here 3y. Why? 2 into 3 is 6. X into y is xy. Now what is so common about these two? Seems like 3, because 3 is present in 6 as well as 9. So let's pick up this 3. Y in both. X is not present here, so we can't take that as common. Now, so we have 2x, and the sign changes because we are putting into bracket. So this will be 3y. Minus minus plus. 3 into 3, 9, 9y square. Alright guys. Now this is quite interesting. So these are the two factors that we get. 2x minus 3y. And for this, 2x minus 3y. Alright guys. Now since they have given 2x minus 3y equals to 4. So we can substitute the value of 2x minus 3y, okay, in the next step as 4 into 4, which means we are getting 16 as the answer. Alright guys, so this wasn't very difficult, just that you had to be, okay, a little patient with first finding out the factors and then trying to fit in the values. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have understood. In case there is any query, please write to me in the comment box. All the best for your exams. Okay, bye bye, have a great day.